Alright, here is my 2013 Firework Stash. Here's the mortar tubes I'll be using. Have another 36 in the garage. Alright, here we go. Up here is that. Here's a bunch of like 200 gram things. And then over here is the 500 grams. That's Fortress of Fire right there. That's supposed to be a good one. Guerrilla Warfare. Then we go over here. Have a bunch of stuff from rockets, sparklers, firecrackers, anything you can think of. And then here's a bunch of 200 gram cakes. Power plays good. Phantasm 2. Got 3 of those. That's a good one. Just a bunch of 200 grams in there. Then we go up here, there's Crack the Sky. A bunch of another 500 grams. Trying to be good's good. Those are supposed to be good, the Deadliest Catch ones. There's another one that's called Time Bandit. It's part of USA. Then you go over here. There's some Excaliburs, Barely Legals, a couple Wolfpack mortars. There's a tube assortment. Got a bunch of 500 grams in there. 300 grams. Another case of Excaliburs. There's a bunch of 300 gram tubes. 500 grams. Those are really nice. Those Magical Barrage. Then we got some more Excaliburs right there. Some Sweet 16s. And then a bunch I fused together. Those mortars there. Those are 3-break mortar. And then we go over here, we got Swarming Skeeters. These are all 500 grams. And that's it for my 2013 Firework Stash.